If you're looking for a functional, compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2017 Jeep Cherokee Sport in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With HID headlamps, electronic stability control, 18-inch aluminum wheels, gloss black exterior accents, LED tail lamps, bright exhaust tip, front bucket seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, only 49,000 miles on the odometer, a 5-inch touchscreen display, SiriusXM satellite radio, audio jack input for your mobile devices, split folding rear seats, all powered by a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number P5986.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.